in the fridge for sausage, and I like some jelly in the hash browns too. Alright. I don't see any, so... well, there might be... I did see some in there, but I thought I'd get the last one. I didn't want it. Alright, I'm gonna have some sausage now. Oh, that's good stuff. Yeah. Big breakfast is slowly disappearing. And now we have an empty platter. Still 2 hash browns. So good. We got a hash brown right there. And now it's time to eat the last one.
Hey, Pam. You eating breakfast?
Uh-huh. Alright. I'm just walking along. That is really good. Thank you. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, honey.
Rate, comment, subscribe. Uncle Sam's Orders.